Welcome to Luxury on a Plate. What the rich eat. Today I'm diving into the world of high-class dining where no ingredient is too rare and no dish too extravagant. Let's start with the infamous white truffle. Not your ordinary fungus. This gem can cost up to $3,000 per pound. It's revered for its earthy, pungent aroma and is often shaved over pasta or risotto in top-tier restaurants. Just a few grams can elevate a dish from simple to sublime. Next on our luxury list is caviar, the pearls of the sea. Beluga caviar, known for its delicate, buttery flavor, is particularly prized. At around $8,000 per kilogram, it's not just food, it's a statement. Served atop blinis with a touch of creme fraiche, it's a classic indulgence that screams opulence. Moving on, let me introduce you to the A5 Wagyu beef from Japan. With its intense marbling and unmatched tenderness, it literally melts in your mouth. Costing upwards of $200 per pound, this beef is a culinary masterpiece, often simply seared to perfection to highlight its natural flavors. But what about something sweet? The luxury doesn't end at desserts. Take the golden opulence sundae from New York City, priced at a cool $1,000. It's not your typical ice cream sundae. It's adorned with edible gold leaf, rare chocolates and exotic fruits, served in a crystal goblet. Truly a dessert fit for royalty. And for the wine connoisseurs, there's the Chateau Margaux 2015. With a bottle costing around $1,300, this exquisite wine is known for its rich, complex flavors and impeccable balance, a perfect pairing for any of the luxurious dishes we've discussed. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world where culinary dreams come true, and the price tag is just a number. It's about experiencing flavors and combinations that are beyond the ordinary, creating unforgettable dining experiences. Until next time, keep indulging your taste buds in the finer things in life. Cheers!